Madam Speaker, I yield 3 minutes to the gentlelady from Illinois.
The gentlelady is recognized.
I thank the gentleman for yielding, and Madam Speaker, I rise in support of Resolution 492 and urge my colleagues to support its passage. As a member of the Science and Technology Committee and as co-chair of the High Performance Building Caucus, I'm delighted to join my colleague and caucus co-chair, Congressman Rush Carnahan, to recognize June 15th through the June 19th as High Performance Buildings Week. By definition, a high performance building is one that utilizes the highest design, construction, operation, and maintenance principles to address human, economic, environmental, and societal needs. Based on Section 914 of the Energy Policy Act of 2005, that definition is the result of significant industry and standards collaboration. Building on that coordinated effort, Representative Carnahan and I formed the High Performance Building Caucus last year. We wanted to heighten the awareness and inform policymakers about the major impact buildings have on our health, safety, and environment. Through monthly briefings, we explore the opportunities to design, construct, and operate high-performance buildings that reflect our concern for these impacts. As the resolution states, the built environment in our country has a tremendous impact on our lives. Buildings consume 40% of the energy used in the U.S. while emitting 39% of U.S. carbon dioxide emissions. Perhaps a more surprising statistic is that Americans average 90% of their time indoors. With that in mind, new building construction and sustainability of our current building inventory is now more important than ever. As we seek to use energy more efficiently and reduce global emissions, we also have to consider worker productivity in business, enhanced learning environments in schools, and even secure design to prevent loss of life from catastrophic natural disasters. Research, design, and construction of high-performance buildings include these factors and more. Accessibility, aesthetics, historic integrity, and cost-effectiveness must also be considered. Madam Speaker, we could not honor the goals and ideas of High Performance Buildings Week without thanking those groups that have helped us get here today. Dozens of building and standards organizations make up the High Performance Building Congressional Caucus Coalition. I know that I speak for myself and my fellow caucus co-chair when I say thank you for their help educating, researching, and advancing the goals of high-performance buildings. And with that, Madam Speaker, I would ask unanimous consent to submit a list of those organizations to be included in the record.
Without objection.
And with that, Madam Speaker, I yield back.
The gentlelady yields back the balance of her time. The chair recognizes the gentleman from Washington.
Madam Chair.